Hello, Namaste. I am Dr. J.K. Sachdeva. This is our third video on R, data analysis with R. This is going to be the second video on visualization. In this video, we are going to discuss the difference between bar chart and histogram. I will also show you simple examples and R script so you can create them on your own. Let us get started. What is the difference between bar chart and histogram? Both look like this. Bar chart simply shows the frequencies of numbers or items. For instance, we have got apple 30, bananas 25, mangoes 20 and oranges 25. There is a gap between the four items. It simply counts the number of items and show it in the form of diagram. Histogram first converts the data into class intervals. Say I have students, 50 students in my class, and I want to show their marks in histogram. So my class intervals, that is marks between 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90 and 100. I will show it in histogram. Now these histograms, they don't have the gaps. Let us understand the differences between bar chart and histogram. What is bar chart? It is used for categorical data. Each bar represents a category. It shows height, length, value or count, height of the columns will be value or counts. Bars are separated with gaps. But histograms, they are used for continuous data, which is maybe in the form of class intervals. Show distribution over intervals, bins. Bars touch each other, there is no gap. So x-axis are the ranges, as I have already explained it, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. And y-axis has got the frequencies. In both the cases, bar chart and histogram have frequencies or counts and are shown in the form of heights. But histograms, they are class intervals. Let us see the references in the tabular form. Bar chart data type is categorical. Histogram data type is continuous. In bar chart, there are gaps. In histogram, there are no gaps. In bar chart, x-axis are categories. Histograms are intervals or bins. Now, example I have already shown you, fruits and marks distribution. Let us see it on R. I am going to start R, and I will write down the script which I showed you, the apples, oranges. Let me first create an array, that is fruits. Apple, banana, mango, oranges will be connected in the form one-dimensional vector in the name of fruits. They will be connected. Similarly, this 30, 25, 20, 25, which are the counts for these fruit, they will be all connected to the counts. That will be a kind of vector, one-dimensional vector. And then there is a command, simple command, counts, names, argos. If you don't want to write it here, now let us not write it here. Simply let us make a simple bar plot with counts and names dot arg is equal to fruit. I will just highlight it and I will just enter it, or if you write it in the earlier form in the upper pane, then you can run it because there is a run. So you are getting apples, banana, mangoes, orange. Now I want that it should be colored, it should be given some color. I will write everything here to beautify my these graphics. So I will write it here bar plot and counts will be there, names that will be in the argument, and then the color will be sky blue. Main, that is title, will be favorite fruits, X lab will be fruits, and Y lab will be color. Let us run it. Here it is run. Okay. Now this one is there now with the favorite fruits, and then your X labels are fruit and Y label is count, and the things have been counted. Now if you want, you can make some changes. Say if I want, I can write it here another fruit. You can write down here apple are there, banana are there, mango are there, oranges are there. So let us add another fruit, and let us say, but the pair count are say 70. Pair count are 70. Okay. So I am just going to run it again. Now if you write pair with 70, now this will change. You can write. Now let us run histogram. You can download the commands from the description file. So it's a set seed 1, 2, 3, which will give me the fixed values. It will not change over time. When I say set seeds, it's not going to change the values over time because I'm going to create random numbers between 40 to 100. Say number is 50. Replacement is true because you can, students' marks can be randomly anything. And I will say hist. Hist is the command for histogram. Marks, color is light green. Main is distribution of marks. X label is marks. Y label is frequency. And I will just highlight it and then I will say run. So these are the histograms which you have created. Now suppose I want not 50 students because these are all total 50 students. I want only 30 numbers, and I can run it. Just see, run it, and now there are 30. Okay, now I don't want, say 730. I don't want light green. I want red. So I can make it red, red, simple, and I will make it here as 70. So I take 70 students. So I will just highlight it and run it. Okay. So these are the histograms. They are in the class intervals. They are intervals, and then the counts have been shown in the form of red. I'll show you how to import a data set. Say you have got Excel data set. You simply import it here. Import data set. Import from Excel. Now it will ask you where is your file. So you can browse your file. Say I have file with my R files. So I will browse the file. File is Mathsphobia. In Mathsphobia is just I made a small survey that people are afraid of maths. We asked their demography, we asked their qualifications, then age, and then 9 questions why they were afraid of this. Okay. So this is the file, it is being shown here. You will simply say, now the commands which have been converted into R is library read Excel. Mathsphobia is the variable which is created, and read Excel is the command to read the file. Please note down, there are backslashes, not forward slashes. There are backslashes, D backslash 2A videos on R backslash Mathsphobia XLS, and then you can view the file Mathsphobia. These are the commands for R. You simply say import and the file has been imported. If any package is required, automatically the system will get it. You can see this file, this has been imported from your Excel. You can simply see that this is the view file and there are 9 questions. Okay. Now I want age. Age is in the form of 24, 39, 49, 26, 25. I want that it should be clubbed into some intervals and a histogram should be framed. The same thing, I will clear it now from here. I will clear it and I can clear it from here also. Okay, it will ask me yes, and then I can write down. See, I have written the command histogram, hist, Mathsphobia dollar. Now, whatever column you want, whatever variable you want from the database, you will have to put dollar and the full name, age in years, please write only the numbers, age in years, and please write down in this, will be in the inverted commas. Main is age, yellow, colors are yellow, and frequency is true. So, I am going to run it. I will just enter it. And the histogram has been created. If any warning created for the age, it is converting into class intervals 0 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 60 automatically, and then shows the counts in the form of histogram. I repeat, import the file from Google Drive, save it in your R folder, import this Excel file, the import command from the import command, library is read Excel, Mathsphobia, read Excel, C user, wherever you have saved the files, you write down the path of that file and then view Mathsphobia and then write down the command for histograms. Thanks for watching. If you feel it is okay, like, share and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Thank you very much.